Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Pably. Today in this video we will learn what is the best way to get more clients for embroidery business by using WhatsApp. Okay, so the idea here is, imagine you have recently started a boutique where you are providing your customers with the handmade embroidery filled dresses. And for your boutique, you have advertised about your boutique, on Facebook. Now, whenever a new customer will enter your advertisement or reaches to your advertisement, you have to send them the brochure. But the problem here is, if you'll follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data of your new lead or the new customer, then you have to manually type a message, add the link of your brochure, and then finally you will send it to them on WhatsApp. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have advertised about your boutique on Facebook. Now, whenever a new customer will enter your advertisement, a form will pop up in front of them. As soon as they will fill up the form, on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So for that, here I have used two applications. First, I have used Facebook. We have used this platform to advertise about our boutique, and secondly I have used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app, to send them the message and the link of the brochure. But here I have to face one more problem. The problem is, there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pably Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pably Connect? So Pably Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together, so that every time the new customer will enter your advertisement or reaches to your advertisement, they will submit the form, and on successful submission of the form, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pably Connect, you need not to have any technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen.
Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the form. This is how the customers will see the form, and on successful submission of the form, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message. So I have opened my WhatsApp web page for you. As soon as we will submit the form here, the message will be reflected for our customer. So here you can see I have entered the details. The email ID of our customer is Tina 000. Full name is Tina Manuel, and this is the phone number. Now I'll click on next and I'll submit the form. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now come to WhatsApp, and guys, you have to wait for 2-3 seconds or more, and automatically the message will be reflected here. So let's wait for some time. And yes guys, you can clearly see a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel, which says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in Spig Boutique. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our embroidery and stitching boutique. Link is given to you. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Spig Boutique." Now let me open up the link for you, and let's see if the link takes us to the right profile. Yes, you can see this is the PDF file I wanted to send to my customer, and we have reached to the PDF file, the correct PDF file. Now you people must be thinking how I have managed to do this process. Just by submitting the form, on successful submission of the form, the customer has received a WhatsApp message with the link of the certificate, the link of the PDF file. So let me show you the process of integration on my screen, guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration, as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pably Connect to Facebook lead ads. So what we're going to do first is, first we will log into our Pably Connect account. Then we will integrate our first application, Facebook lead ads, with Pably Connect. Why? Because we have run an advertisement in our Facebook account, and customers will be filling up the form in our advertisement. So it is important first to integrate Facebook lead ads with Pably Connect. Then step number 2 says collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pably Connect. So the customers will be filling up the form. I want that same data, the information of the customer should get transferred into Pably Connect. So step number 2 says the same. And step number 3 says send the brochure on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So in the final step, we will be sending the brochure, the link of the brochure with the SMS, the body of SMS to our customer on WhatsApp. But guys, here's the twist: we are not integrating WhatsApp directly. Instead, we are using 360 dialogue here because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, we have to use another software which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialogue. Now let's start with the process, guys. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember, Pabbly. Okay, now you can see this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is click on products, and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are in use of Pabbly Connect, so click here. Now we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. For the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, guys, you have to click this and you can create your free account, completely free account in just 2 minutes. Because I am already logged in, I'll click on sign in. Okay, one more time, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. As you know, today we are in use of Pabbly Connect, so click on access now. Okay, now we have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. This is how the dashboard looks, and here you can see the various workflows I have created, okay, on my screen. Now we have to create a new workflow. So for that, come to your right corner where a blue button is given which says create new workflow. Click here and a mini box will emerge in front of you. Now it is asking to name your workflow. So let's name our workflow. Let's say the name of my workflow is Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, now I have given the name to my workflow as the name of the applications I'm integrating today, but you can name your workflow according to yourself. Click on create, and we have entered the workflow. Here we will be performing the steps of integration. Okay, you can see the title name which I have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Now before we start with the process, let me share one important information with you. The workflow which we are creating today, this current workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box, so you can click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Guys, don't forget to go and check the link. And let me tell you one more thing before we start with the steps, before we start processing the steps. What is this trigger and what is this action? Because it is very important to have the basic knowledge so that you can understand what we are doing in the workflow. Let's read out here what it is written here. Trigger: when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Action: do this. Choose your next application action. Now, trigger event will be submission of the form here. We are running a live advertisement on our Facebook account. Now, whenever the new lead will reach to our advertisement, they will open the advertisement. Now automatically a form will pop up in front of them, so they will submit the form. So this is our trigger event. Submission of the form is our trigger event. Now on successful submission of the form, what we want a WhatsApp message should be sent to them with the link of the brochure. So the sending of WhatsApp message will be action event. You understood? Trigger event will be submission of the form, okay, happening of an event, and action will be sending the WhatsApp message, the response. Okay, now let's start with the steps. We have to integrate our first application, which is Facebook lead ad. So for that, you have to click on your first application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of you. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the particular trigger event, which is new lead. I'll choose this. And now I'll click on connect. Okay, a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for 2 options: add new connection and select existing connection. I'll click on add new connection, and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen, I have been successfully authorized in. Now it is asking me to fill up 2 fields. The first field, it is asking for the page, and second field, it is asking for the lead generation form. So guys, here we have to map the particular page. Let me show you the page. Let me take you to my Facebook account first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my Facebook account. Now come to your left corner. Here some options are given to you. Among them, you have to search for pages. Click here. Now you can see the various pages I have created in my Facebook account. Let me show you the particular page which I have created for this workflow. Let me search for the page. Let me show it to you. Okay, this is the particular page, stitching and embroidery business. Okay, I've created this page. Let me enter the page for you. Now I want to map this particular page in my Pabbly Connect account. So let me show you how you can map the particular page in your Pabbly Connect account. We'll go back to our Pabbly Connect account. Now come to the page section and click on this arrow. In the scroll down, you can see all of the pages which are there in my Facebook account. Now we have to search for the particular page which I have shown it to you, which is stitching and embroidery business. If I'll simply click this, automatically the page will be mapped here. Now the form which is attached with this page will automatically appear here, so you need not to worry about anything. Click on save. Okay, now this page and this form is particularly saved here. Now we will go to the form. We will submit the form on behalf of our customer, and as soon as we will submit the form, I want the responses, the details of that customer should capture here in Pabbly Connect. So let me show it to you how the form will appear in front of the customer. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is how the customers will see the form. The form will appear in front of the customer. Now we have submitted, I have filled up the form. Here you can see the details, the email ID sam000@gmail.com. The name of our customer is Sam John, and this is the phone number. As soon as I'll click on next, and now I'll click on submit, the responses has been sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let me show it to you. We'll go back to our Pabbly Connect account, and what you have to do here, you have to click on save and send test request. As soon as you will click on save and send test request, you can see successfully the responses has been captured here. The same responses, the details of our customer, under which name we have filled up the forms. So this shows that our first step of integration, Facebook lead ads with the Pabbly Connect, has been successfully done. Now we will move on to our next and final step, which is integration of 360 dialog to send the WhatsApp message to our customers. Now one more time guys, why we are using 360 dialog here instead of WhatsApp? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that you have to use another software that is official API of WhatsApp, which is 360 dialog. Okay, now to integrate 360 dialog with Pabbly Connect, you have to click on your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for 360 dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of action event has emerged in front of you. If you click this arrow, you can see the various action event. I want to choose this particular action event, send template message. So I'll choose this, and now I'll click on connect. A mini window has emerged in front of us asking for two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection, and now guys, it is asking us to fill up two required fields. The first field it is asking us to fill is API key, and second is domain. So before I tell you where you can find the API key, first please read the description so that you can understand yourself only from where you have to find the API key. Guys, reading description is very important, the instructions. Why? Because if you read the instructions, you need not to follow any other tutorial. You can simply read the instruction and you can follow where it will find you the value. Okay, here it is written enter API key. Here you can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. And in the domain it is written enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key example waber.360dialog.io. Okay, now let me take you to my account on 360 dialog first. Guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 dialog. Now if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog, so for that I have created a separate video and I have added the link of that video in my description box. You can go and visit the link. Now guys, I have added one more link in my description box. If you visit that link, you can avail the services of this particular application 360 dialog at very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links. Now let me tell you from where you can find the API key. Come to your left corner. Here you can see three options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp accounts. Okay, now here at the right corner below, you can see a blue button is given to you which says generate API key. Guys, listen to this information very carefully. You have to click this button once and your API key will be generated. Now this process is a one-time process. You need not to do again and again. the API key and the domain will be generated as soon as you will click generate API key button. Now the same API key and the domain can be used for different workflow. I'm telling you again and again, this is just a one-time process. You need not to do it again and again. You will click here, the API key and the domain will be generated. You will copy both of the values, go back to your Pabbly Connect, and here you will paste it accordingly. Now you will click on save and you will be successfully authorized back to your workflow. Now guys, I have already told you this is a one-time process, so I have already generated my API key and the domain. Now because of some security reason, I cannot show you this process, so let me paste the API key and the domain here, then I'll click on save and we will directly meet on in our workflow. Okay guys, as you can see, I've been successfully authorized in back to my workflow. Now it is asking us to map the template. Let me show it to you. What is template first? Let's go back to our account on 360 dialog. Now besides generate API key, it is written show details. Click here and you can see three options are given at the top. You have to click on templates. Now you can see all of the templates on my screen. Now these templates I have created in my 360 dialog account. Let me show you the particular template I have created for my workflow, for my current workflow. Here you can see the name of my template is send brochure final. Let me open it for you. Guys, you can read this. The template is nothing but it is just a body of SMS which we will send to our customer. Let me read it out for you. Hello, 1. Thank you for showing your interest in 2. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our 3 link 4. For more details, you can visit our website 5. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards 6. Now you people must be thinking, what are these numbers in double boxes and why they are given here? So let me tell you, these numbers are nothing but they are just the body of variables which will be keep changing. Okay. Now, for example, as soon as in the place of number 1, the name of our customer will come. So as soon as I'll enter the name of my customer in body field 1, this number will change to its value. Let me show it to you. So the name of our customer is Sam John. And you can see as soon as I have entered the name here in body field 1, the number has changed to its original value. Now same goes with body field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, whenever you will create your template, you can keep the variables according to your wish. It's not necessary to keep any numbers of variables. Okay. Now let me show it to you how you can create your template. If you'll go up, here at the right corner, you can see a option is given for add template in the blue button. You will click this and the format of template will appear in front of you. Now you can name your template from here. You can select the particular language, in which language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will type the body of SMS. Now listen to this information also carefully, guys. After creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit, and your template will be sent for approval. Now the approval process is done by Facebook, and approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I'll tell you in general, the approval process is done within 1 day only, but it is very important to first create the template and send it for approval, because without the approval process you cannot use your template, guys. Let me show it to you here. You can see on my screen all my templates are approved. That's why I can use these templates in my workflow. Now I want to map the particular template which I have shown it to you before, the template which is send brochure final, in my Pabbly Connect account. So how I'll map it, let me show it to you. I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. Now come to the template field, click on the arrow, and you can see all of the templates which I have shown you are there in my 360 dialog account, can be seen here in the scroll down. Now I want to choose this particular template, so I'll click this and automatically this template will be mapped. Guys, now you need not to do anything with these two fields, namespace and language code. These fields will be automatically be filled up. Now in the language code, it is written EN. EN is the code for English. Okay, let me take you back to my 360 dialog account. Under the language section, you can see it is written EN, EN, EN. So this shows that all our templates are in the English language. That's why the code has been assigned here under the language section. So you need not to do anything with these fields. Come down to your next field, which is recipient mobile number. Now we have to map the number. Before that, let me tell you what is mapping of data, guys, and why this feature is given to you in Pabbly Connect. Because whenever you will click the field, a scroll down will appear in front of you. Now if you will click the scroll down, you can see all of the responses down here. Now these responses are the same responses which we have captured above in Pabbly Connect. So this feature of mapping data is given to you in Pabbly Connect because whenever you are required to fill up the value in the field, you need not to go up again and again, search for the value, copy it, come down and paste it here. Instead, you can simply click on the field, come down, search for the value and click it. Automatically it will be mapped. So it is asking us for the mobile number. I'll map the mobile number. Now the body fields have started. Here you can see in front of every body field an example is given to you, so we can understand what we have to write in every body field. Here in the body field 1, the example is given Heather Ali. So here we will map the name of our customer. How? You have to click the field, come to the scroll down, search for the value which is Sam John and simply click this. Now in body field 2, in the example it is written Pabbly Connect. So here we will be writing the name of our business. Let's say the name of my embroidery business is Spick. Okay. Now in the body field 3, in the example it is given software. So here we have to write the product name or the service what we are providing. So let me enter the services what we are providing. Okay guys, so I have given the name of my service, embroidery and stitching boutique. What I'll do, I'll simply copy this and I'll paste it here also, Spick Boutique. Okay. So come down in body field 4, in the example a link is given to you. Now this link here, we have to map the link of the brochure or the image which PDF file which we want to send to our customer. So I have uploaded the PDF file in my Google Drive account. Let me show it to you. So this is my Google Drive account and let me show you the PDF file. I want to send this particular PDF file to my customer. So I want to have the link of this PDF file to map there in Pabbly Connect. How? Come to your right corner where it is written more option, this 3 button, click here. Now click on share. Here it is written get link and beside it first read what it is written, restricted, only people added can open with this link. So I'll change it to anyone on the internet with this link can view, and now I'll copy the link. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect account and simply I'll paste it here. Okay, simple. Now in body field 5 it is asking for the website name. So let me enter the website name. Okay guys, this is just for an example. I am filling all of the fields. Whenever you will create your particular template, you can add the fields, the variables according to yourself. It is not necessary to add some particular amount of variables. It is completely on your what you say need. Okay, now in body field 6, again in the example it is written Pabbly. So what I'll do, I'll copy this Spick Boutique. Oh. And I'll paste it here. Now guys, we have successfully filled up all the fields. Let me show it to you once again. And now come down, we will click on save and send test request and we will see if the responses are positive or not. Yes guys, the responses are completely positive as there is no error it is showing to us. Now let me take you to my WhatsApp web account and let me show it to you if we have received any message on behalf of our customer or not. Yes guys, you can clearly see a message has just arrived for Sam John which says, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in Spick Boutique. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our embroidery and stitching boutique. Link is given to you. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Okay guys, right now this link is a hyperlink, but generally what happens, until you won't save the number, this link won't turn into a hyperlink. So whenever you will create a template, please don't forget to add a note here. Thank you, regards, Spick Boutique. Now let me open the PDF file and let me show it to you if the PDF file takes you to the right image which we want to send to our customer. Yes guys, I have just now shown it to you. Was the particular PDF file which I wanted to send to my customer, and you can see how successfully the customer has received the message with the link of the brochure. Now let me take you back to my Pabbly Connect account one more time and let me show it to you if what all we have done. Okay, now we have done the workflow in two simple process. First, we have integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, because the idea here is we have run a live advertisement in our Facebook account, and customers will reach to our advertisement and they will fill up the form. Now when they will fill up the form, I want the data of that customer to be transferred into Pabbly Connect, and from Pabbly Connect the data should be transferred into WhatsApp. So I mean the 360 dialog. So accordingly it will send a message to our customers on WhatsApp with the link of the brochure. So guys, you have seen this workflow was this very simple workflow of just two steps, and the link of the workflow I'll add to my description box, so you can go and click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So guys, don't forget to go and check the link.
Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.